Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Before you click buy, here is the quick buyer-friendly breakdown of the home cleaning find. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Adjustable timer and child lock ultra-low noise operation fits homes/offices without disturbing rest or work. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. The key positives are cleaner home, time saver, and easy routine. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that I've been very happy with this air purifier. My simple verdict: the home cleaning find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.